I've been talking a lot about the build and how I use AI to launch online businesses by doing more with less. Today, I want to show one part of that system. There are a lot of prospecting tools out there, but they are expensive to run. This one does the job at a fraction of the cost. This is the Build's lead generation agent. Its job is to find prospects based on a very specific ideal customer profile. I always try to build tools that solve a real problem for me first and make my day to day work easier. This is still in the MVP stage, and I'm continuing to add features, but there is already a lot here that is useful. Prospecting starts with the ICP document. You answer the questions, feed that into the agent, and let it run. The tool works through a local interface on your machine, although it can also be hosted if needed. Inside the interface, there are settings for login, search criteria, ICP configuration, the LLM handling the qualification process, data storage, and execution logs. The system stores execution data, profiles, and lead information in a database, giving you full visibility and control over each part of the process. From there, the agent evaluates profiles in real time across multiple criteria. It looks at who the person is, the information available in their profile, what they post about, their title, where they work, the size of the company they are associated with, and the sentiment it can infer from that information. It then uses that context, along with your niche and offer, to identify potential selling angles. Instead of manually analyzing every person, the system does much of that thinking for you and helps surface where a conversation might make sense. Each signal is scored, and the agent moves through three stages before reaching a conclusion. In the end, it generates a detailed report for every profile it finds through the ICP and classifies each one as a strong lead, a lead that needs review, or not a lead. If this is relevant to your business, I'm just a DM away.